Yabona okwehlela omude nomfishane kuyamehlela. Kune video la etrendayo involver incekukazi yenkosi zizithokozisa ngokucansi bume nje. Welika ngiyena umuntu okhonze ukuphawula kakhulu kuma hypes nento ethinta iningi but ke ngithi ke angizwakalisi ilaka lami ngoba sisezweni sakhile kuthi wani. Welike nakho kumele ukuthi ukwazi leyanto it has nothing to do with church. Church is just something eyenza ukuthi sibe ne wu but leyanto it all has to do with a human brain, how the human brain operates, because now uyazi ukuthi kunezakhe izinto ezixakile oyazi kahle ukuthi you shouldn't be doing them but you keep on doing them. The question is why? The very same thing ike yenzakalile lapha ya ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Ingqondo yomuntu ke kunento ekuthiwa i-limbic brain, kunento ekuthiwa i-primary brain noma i-reptilian brain, bese kuba khona i-neocortex yabo. Kuhlukana ama stages nje awu-3 yabo. So i-limbic brain is an emotional brain yabo. So nakho ke ngifuna ukuthi ukunote lapha na kule scene lo dopamine they are involved, oxytocin is involved, serotonin is involved. I-dopamine i-hormone eyenza ukuthi ulangazelele something, i-motivation hormone yabo. Yethi i-serotonin yenza ukuthi ukwazi ukufila i-pleasure. It is a mood hormone yabo, dila nama mood. Bese ukuthi i-serotonin it's a love hormone yabo and affection. So njengoba ubona ke njengoba ungizwa ngikhuluma ngale zinto lezi, these are neurotransmitters and biochemicals. So uma ngabe kukhona i-biochemical imbalance eyenzakala emzimbeni wakho ubehave ngendlela ethile yabo until umzimba wakho ubuyele kwi-homeostasis. Sonke la sihlulwa ingqondo la emhlabeni, sonke la we are emotional beings la emhlabeni yabo. Lana kunabantu abenza izinto in private abangafuni ukuthi zize zivele ebantwini, bayazenza bayazazi zikubona and they are working tirelessly to deal with those things. Abanye laba addicted kwi-gambling, abanye ba addicted kwi-masturbation yabo, abanye ba addicted ey'ntweni ey'thile, abanye bayaphahluka, abanye banenkinga ye-anger. Zonke lezo zinto zi-involve ini ama-hormones, biochemicals yabo, neurotransmitters, umqondo wonke loyo. And it has nothing to do with church, because uma ukhuluma nge-morality isonto ngelize lezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo engiyibalayo la, isonto alikufundisi ngalezo zinto esikhuluma ngazo la. Isonto alikufundisi ngo-meditation most of the time, or at least mina kulawo engiwaziyo akakhulumi nge-meditation, because i-meditation ikwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukuregulate your nervous system yabo. Because uma ngabe ukuthi wena wake wakhuluma into wayisola emva kalokho usuyishilo usuvela wathi ibhadla noma wakwa actor emva kalokho wayisola, kusho ukuthi nawe unayo inkinga ephathelene nani nama emotions yabo. Nawe kusadinga ukuthi udile nayo leyo nkinga leyo, because iyaspike into ube out of balance bese yabuya kwi-homeostasis bese uya regret. Uma ukuthi nawe uke ube sesigabeni la khona uba ne regret nokufila guilty ukuthi wenza into that you shouldn't be doing, kusho ukuthi nawe unayo inkinga ini la yabo, unayo nawe inkinga la kuwe yabo. And lonto leyo iqale engqondweni bese iba ne-emotional charge bese iba action. That's how things go. Uma kuukuthi wena unokwenza into engamele ngabe uyayenza, uyenzelani pho? Ngoba uyazi ukuthi akumele ngabe uyayenza, uyenzela. Sonke sibhekene nenkinga efanayo ukuthi kumele sibe simasterishen ingqondo, because umhlaba umove very very fast ahead of us and our conscious evolution and conscious elevation is at a slow pace, and we cannot catch up. Amafoni lawa, they are keeping us grounded la wona, they are keeping us glued to them. Yabo, as predictor, as bamba, as niggas look after look after look. Yabo, konke lokho, we are overstimulated. We nje qing hambe yakhona. You can't say no, because once you have to qing, your dopamine spikes. Yabo, your dopamine is being released. Is it qing? Ngathi ungahambe yo check. Uqeda ukuposta, uyahamba uyolokhu check ukuthi bangaka sebe like it, bangaka sebe comment. Now uyabona ukuthi unayo inkinga ephathelene nani, nawo ini ama hormones, unayo inkinga ephathelene nani, nawo ama biochemical imbalance, awawo masterish nawo umqondo wakho. Kodwa lezi zinto siziveza ngendlela ezihlukene kuthina. Abanye ba addicted kwizinto kwiziyobisi, basebenzisa izidakamizwa. Iyona njalo ini dopamine nakhona lapho. Yabo? Seyona idopamine. Uyabona njengoba kusuke kuthiwa enze fasting. I-fasting isuke izokwazi ukukusiza ukuthi ube resilient, ube lento ekuthiwa i-discipline, ukwazi ukuyibamba ngoba umqondo uyatrainwa ukuthi ungabe overstimulated. Ngithi yabo, because yabona lapha ya excuse me, it's also involves indaba ukuthi uma ngabe energy iyehlela kulama centers asezansi, iyehlela kulama centers asezansi, so bese energy consumption lapho. Yabo, energy ngihleze ngiyichaza lento yama chakras and what's not. Uma nje yehle energy yehlela lapha ezansi kulama 3 centers, o sacral, no solar plexus, nabo solar, nabo root. Obviously lapho it deals with survival. Le nto ade beyenza laphana, it deals with those 3 centers. Yabo, of which most of us or all of us la sibhekene nalowo nkinga. People are eating so much. Yes, they are eating so much. People, they can't even fast. They're having an eating disorder. They're eating even things that are unhealthy. They even know that these things are unhealthy. They know for sure. People banenkinga enkulu kabi ephathelene nalama 3 centers alaphezana. Some, they don't want to do anything. They are just eating and sleeping. Yabo? Some, they are so physical. Some, they are talking indaba zabantu. There is a lot that we are doing that shows that our energy is still down there. It's an energy consumption. Yabo? But it just happened ukuthi kuloyana kube in public kanjeyana bangaki la abanezinto abazenza abazazibona bodwa ngasese ezingaziwa abanye abazi kahle ukuthi they still need to deal with them. Lezo zinto lezo bangaki baningi kabi. Asikhondemni isenzo asenzile, asisikhondemni, but we are taking it and kumele sibe ne compassion with one another. Understand ukuthi we are all dealing with the same enemy that is within us. Njengamanje kusengokunye, yabo, umuntu osejele njengamanje kusengokunye nakuyena. Yes, kuningi kubantu njalo kunabantu la abayenzayo lento eyenziwe ilaba abantu bobabili. Bayayenza, bayachitha abantu la, bayazwisana abantu la, bayazwisana ephe ngokuthi akabanjwanga. Bayazwisana abantu la, bayazenza abantu izinto kodwa azibanjwa. But bakwazi ukuthi beme bezenze ngcono, bengabi befake ecathuleni, bebe ne compassion ukuthi okay, lona isikhathi sakhe naye sama crisis uzofunda. It's just that ulena in a hard way, but they keep on doing things. They keep on fueling this thing. Angazi noma kumele ukuthi azayibulale, noma kumele ukuthi azabe ne depression, noma kumele ukuthi azabe ne anxiety, noma kumele ukuthi kuze kube nani. But it's fine. Kodwa engikushoyo okwehlela omude nomfishane kuyamehlela. Uzothola ukuthi nabo abaze beyitshela ukuthi kokwenzeka kanje. Maningi ama video evela la ospa, ama video obani bevela la beyipleasurizer indaba zocansi kade zayiphunyuka la. Mhlambe nabo babengazi bezitshela ukuthi babe babaza njengabanye, mhlawumbe behlekisa nabo ukuthi ungazenza into nje. Kodwa nalamhlanje khona umunye obabaza laba naye kodwa kuseza kuyena. Lokho ufakaza ukuthi kahle hle la ungamhleki omunye umuntu ngoba kusasa kungawe. Kungangenzeka kuvele ngalendlela kodwa kuvele ngenye indlela ngoba sonke we are dealing with one enemy that is within us. Mind, our mind. Our mind is evolving and thina kwethu is ukuthi sibe compassionate ukuthi sizongena izilingo sizoba kuzona kodwa futhi sizodlula siye phambili.
Qonqo ma TikTok amahle qonqo. Yamaro hayi kunzima kungcono find out kunobuye realize hayi. Imagine lamjita lo indoda lasisi le yabona muzlo sisi utrenda ku Facebook nakubani lo walacawe lasisi walacawe lo beyenzela phandle nomfundisi bongumfundisi andazi. Imagine indoda yakhe let's say ikhonza pa xa manje sithi yochama ngoya realize ba ushibiziqhoqa sithi yochama okanye masithi ayikhonzi pa mhlawumbe ayikhonzi kakhulu iya realize xoxa biye emsebenzini engafuni endivimba usho ukuthi kuzobe onele ngabe hayi madoda ayikhona yiyo le namadoda amaninzi angafuna abafazi bayechabeni iya realize ngoba yiyo le nto emamela yonke into ethethwa ngumfundisi nje hayi madoda hayi khona yes kunzima it's tough rough
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Kune-challenge lebantu abayendako lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana yoku-imitator lusisi walaphana iSign Jones lobonakala trenda ku-video enda uGansi nabhuti wasesondeni lakhonza naye. So bantu bayamlingisela ngendlela bekenta ngakhona. Labanye bantu they find this very funny lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana, they find this very entertaining. But kunebantu labangavumelani nalesento bathi lesento simbi kakhulu and labantu already they are going through the most kungani bantu basazama kuhlekisa ngabo kubi kakhulu labakwendako because these people are already going through a lot. Awumnyatheli umuntu abevele sekawile, but some people are just saying to keep these videos coming, meaning ukuthi bayawa enjoy lama video. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Mina nawe siyohlangana kulenye lensha letagi video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.